Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Google Analytics and uncovering the magic behind GA4 Enhanced Measurements. So buckle up, because we've got the details on how this tool can supercharge your analytics tracking. Ever found yourself knee-deep in setting up your GA4 property and you stumbled on this thing called Enhanced Measurements and you wondered what it is? Well, you're not alone. You can think of GA4 Enhanced Measurement Tracking as a set of nifty tracking features that you can toggle on and off on your Google Analytics settings. It's like supercharging your analytics without breaking a sweat. Now, imagine a dashboard that's filled with switches that allows you to track how users are scrolling through pages, clicking outbound links, hunting for stuff using your site search bar, engaging with your videos, snagging your downloads, and even interacting with your forms. Now, that's a whole lot of tracking power. So let's start with scroll tracking. It's like having a map that shows you how users are trekking through your web pages. Now, knowing this can help you decide where to plant your key content or those flashy call to action buttons. Unfortunately, Google only provides that information if users scroll down about 90% of the page. But if you want a more detailed scroll depth report, stick around and I'm going to give you a better option. Okay, now outbound link clicks. Now, these are like road signs showing you when your visitors hop from your site to another website. Now, monitoring those clicks can reveal hotspots that can catch your audience's eye, and it can help you identify new ideas for growing your traffic and revenue, or even finding opportunities to form partnerships. Now, to get this in GA4, you'll need to create your own exploration report. But if you don't want to go through all that hassle of creating custom reports, I've got an alternative in just a minute that only takes a couple of clicks to set up. The site search feature. It's like having a backstage pass to see what users are hunting for on your site. It's like pure gold for uncovering content or product ideas that your audience is looking for. GA4 Enhanced Measurement is the go-to for tracking them too. Now, for a hands-on tutorial, check out our guide to setting up Google Analytics site search tracking for WordPress. Now, who doesn't love videos? Now, tracking your video engagement is key to knowing if your audience is binging through your content or if they're bailing mid-show. GA4 Enhanced Tracking only tracks YouTube videos, but if you're interested in tracking other video platforms like Vimeo, then hang in there. I've got a better alternative. File downloads and form interactions are both essential for different reasons. GA4 Enhanced Measurements has your back there too, but again, you'll have to create and set up custom reports. All right, if you're worried about missing data or just trying to navigate through a maze to find the data that you need, well, stick around. We're going to look at those alternatives for GA4 Enhanced Measurement. First up, meet MonsterInsights. Think of it as your trusty sidekick in the analytics universe. This plugin seamlessly connects your WordPress site to Google Analytics, bringing all that juicy data right into your WordPress dashboard. Imagine access reports on outbound clicks, scroll depth, forms, video engagement, and a lot more right on your WordPress dashboard. No need for custom reports. It's all right there. You'll find your top outbound link report, the average scroll depth report, your forms report, and your video engagement report, and a lot more right on your dashboard. So you don't have to do any coding or set up any custom reports or even log into Google Analytics to see all the data. Now, if you'd like to see a full tour of MonsterInsights dashboard, be sure to check out your ultimate guide to MonsterInsights dashboards reports. All right, next in line, we've got Google Tag Manager. It's a bit challenging to master, but once you do, you can do a lot with it. Tag Manager allows you to set up advanced tracking for e-commerce and a lot more. With Tag Manager, you're not just limited to GA4 Enhanced Measurements. You can go beyond and track e-commerce, Metapixel, Google Ads, and a whole lot more. So there you have it, folks. A deep dive into GA4 Enhanced Measurement and some alternatives that you can use. So we've laid out the tools. Now it's up to you to pick the one that's right for you. Now, until next time, happy tracking and stay awesome. We'll catch you in the next one.
See your Google Analytics data in WordPress with MonsterInsights. Get 50% off right now and subscribe for more helpful content like this.